How is your mind doing today? Are the thoughts rushing like a river or still as a lake? Our minds are interesting places filled with thoughts and emotions that ebb and flow. Sometimes they can feel a bit overwhelming. That's where mindfulness and meditation come in. These practices help us navigate our minds, bringing calmness and clarity. They teach us to be present, to live in the moment, to embrace the here and now. Just remember, there's no right or wrong answer. It's about awareness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the current moment. It's about cultivating an acute awareness of our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment. Imagine it like this. You're living in a bustling city, yet when you close your eyes and focus, you can pick out the sound of a single bird singing. That's mindfulness. Now, how does mindfulness help with stress management? When we're stressed, our minds can be caught in a whirlwind of worries and what-ifs. Mindfulness helps to ground us, to bring us back to the here and now. It's like a calming anchor amidst the stormy seas of our thoughts. The benefits of this practice are manifold. It can increase focus, making us more productive. It can reduce stress, promoting a sense of peace. Most importantly, it can improve our mental well-being, making us happier and healthier. Mindfulness is the key to unlock the door to a balanced mind. Now take a moment to settle into your space. Feel your feet on the ground, your hands in your lap. Notice the sensation of your body making contact with the chair or floor beneath you. Let your body find a comfortable and relaxed position, allowing your eyes to gently close or keep them slightly open if that feels more comfortable. Now let's shift our focus to the breath. Without trying to change it, simply notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the cool air as you inhale, filling your lungs, and the warm air as you exhale, releasing any tension. Picture your breath as an anchor, grounding you in the present moment. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of air moving in and out of your nostrils. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. It's perfectly natural. Just gently guide your attention back to your breath. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about observing, not judging. So whether your mind is calm or busy, simply observe it without any judgment. Continue to breathe in deeply, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Feel the calmness spreading throughout your body with each breath you take. As we conclude this practice, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings, taking this sense of peace with you. This journey of mindfulness and meditation that we've embarked on today is one that stimulates the mind, soothes the soul, and brings a calming balance to your everyday life. The practice we've gone through, the serenity we've experienced, is not a one-time affair. It's a lifestyle, a daily commitment to oneself. It's about taking a moment, even if it's just a few minutes, to pause, breathe, and connect with your inner self each day. The power of mindfulness is not just in understanding it, but in practicing it. It's in the everyday moments of calm and clarity that you create for yourself. It's in the tranquility you feel when you're simply present in the now, not swept up in the past or anxious about the future. Incorporate this practice into your daily routine. Make it as essential as your morning cup of coffee or your evening wind down. Remember, a peaceful mind is just a breath away. Carry this tranquility with you as you move through your day.